Assalamu alaikum. My name is Nabil Ijas and I am from Foundation University Institute of Engineering and Management Sciences, Rawalpindi. We made the project on the data warehouses, that is the development of data warehouse to support CRM analysis to achieve business intelligence by different data mining techniques. Today I'm gonna show you about one process, that is the ETL process. Its main is extract the data from different sources, transform it and then clean the data. We remove the dirty data and then clean. It's a different process, and then load into a database or required system. First of all, I will show you about some tables. About table, the before, this is the third normal form of the record, which is about 19 tables. The data of about for example like Walmart and Metro, etc. This is the location of the shops, region, district, divisions, items, about accounts and brands, item brands, classes, subclasses, individual accounts, sale transaction table. The sale is about 10 million record of sale transactions, because in the data warehouses there is a huge record. No matter it's in the many of GBs and GB, and it's about hundred of millions and billion of records. Okay, after the plenty normalization technique, it is the star schema. We mostly use about add redundant column about and joining the tables, the allocation, accounts, items, individual and item inventory plan, sale transaction and date. It's these are all dimensions, and obviously we have the sum, cost amount, item quantity and revenue amount in it. Now at this stage I can see about different databases. There is about 12 databases. Some of databases are extra in this, and some temporary databases are also used. That is Stdio, one temporary data source, 1 temporary data source, 2 and temporary data source, 3 and temporary data source, 4. I also do about this is the sale transaction, which is daily basis. Sale are uploaded at night 12 o'clock when I start a job of this is the SQL Server agent, and I start the job. Start job setup. Execute it. After they execute it successfully, and when we are showing it, let's show the record of different records. First 1000 records are shown in this figure, in this table. Okay. After this I can show you about the different packages. Basically I am using the two main tools for doing the ETL process, that is the SQL Server Management Studio, SQL Server 2008 R2, and the Business Intelligence Development Studio, BIDS. I have different packages. So first of all I will describe the packages. So that is a sale package are extracted data from different sources of sale and transform it and then load into a sale database. Then the customer, same for customer and same for products. And then C and I can clean and integrate the data, and the data goes into a star schema, into a dimensions, and then the sale, and then I am going to show you about the detail in later. First of all I have the product packages. About product, it can extract the product when I run the package. Not start running. First of all, truncate the table. The truncate the table, which are the temporary tables, it will truncate first and the data is extracted, and then it will load into a database. For example, data is extracted from a flat file or some database source. Here you can see about I can made a product data extraction, and its table name is item inventory, and it moves into a product database. Okay, the data is extracted from different sources and then it move into a database. For here I can use the data conversation. In one stage and all the data is going on, and then product database, and the further the record are moved for the cleaning process. Here for the temporary data source 2 is for used for the cleaning. Cleaning process is in later, so we can stop the package. Same for the customers. Yes, this is the customer, and this is the extract the data from the different sources. Same like that. Oh no, this is become error. Now there is a customer, about customers. This have the record of the customers, that the customer data instruction, and yeah, here is the handling of the missing values. How I can handle the missing values. For example, in this table we have the record of in customer data instruction tables, and it's a record of individual. So there is some question marks in it and some of values which is unknown. For example, homeowner, there is yes, no, and unknown value. Now you can see this is the unknown. Many of them are unknown, homeowner, and also this is the same for the vehicle owner. Into the vehicle owner table, this is the value is unknown. So in data warehousing, you cannot go to the record which is unknown. You must be handled to the unknown record. So for handling this record, I am going to I make the package of missing value. Yes, this is the missing value package. First of all, I split the data into the unknown record. This is split, conditional split on basis of unknown and correct record, and further the data is moving for testing and training. The data testing and training, and then merge the both tables of testing and training. Basically the testing and training, we can train the system and then test it. How it can be possible? This is possible by the same for SQL Server Management Studio, and I am showing you about just a minute. Yes, this is the one method. This is the tree, our tree like structure, and yeah, this is the also which can I do. This is for vehicle training. You can see the probability ratio, and then the gender city is male, occupation city is 8, then the vehicle owner are yes, and that is its probability ratio. So you can impute the record on this value or some. Basically this is the done into a SQL Server Management Business Intelligence Management Studio, and this is the one of the package. Okay, this is the analysis service project, and you can select the source, then data source view, and then mining, and select the mining structure. You can use the any mining structure. There is option of 5 to 6 mining structures. So for proceeding further, this is the customer. Okay, I can run the package. First of all, it can extract the data from the different sources. Then it can be individual data split. It can split the data for known and unknown. Yes, this is the simple condition split.